Hi there, my name is Emma Ginder and this is my second video for Module 15. This video is going to show you a website called typing.com. The targeted audience for this website, I believe, are parents and teachers. Parents because the login can be used at home for children to practice their typing at home, and teachers because it is a great resource to use here in the classroom to work on students' typing. The goal and objectives of using typing.com is to have students work on their typing skills, as my building no longer has a computer lab or a computer teacher. Here are the two ISTE standards provided with this website. Okay. So on typing.com, when you log on, it will show you that you can add more classes, add students, all of that. I just have my one homeroom class in here, and so when I go to it, it'll show me all of their usernames, if I wanted to print off their login to use at home, or I can actually view their specific progress. So here it shows me that this student has mastered the J, F, and spacebar key, how much time they spent on it, what they can type for words per minute, the accuracy, and the errors based on how the errors combined to how many words they typed or letters they typed. It also shows me the last time that they logged in and worked on that specific letter or letters. Here it shows me that she is currently working on the D, E, and I keys. Her progress is 36%, how many words per minute, and her accuracy. I do make my students score 90% or more accuracy on typing.com before they move on. Once they complete all of these beginner keys, they can go down and work on actual words and sentences, punctuation, paragraphs, and then even more in depth. Again, I can pull the reports for my students to see how much time they're spending on it. When they can gain stars based on their typing, so here, hopefully she went back and redid it since she did not, oh, that's her progress. Just kidding. Accuracy is what I'm looking at. So here you'll notice that all of them are at least 90% or above because I do make them go back and type if they are not. There we go. And then I actually wanted to show you the student side of it. So when a student logs on, this is what they see. It looks more like a game. It's really engaging for them. And here it shows that she has passed this. If she wanted to practice again, she could restart it. But right now, it won't even let her. These are grayed out because you have to obviously work your way down. So she is working on this one right now. It shows just how much progress she has, what each little section works on, and so forth. There are games that go with it that I will sometimes allow them to use. Not often, but if I'm feeling a little kind, I will allow this. They're really obsessed with Nitro Type 2, especially my boys are. They can change the way that their screen looks for them. I'm not going to change hers just since it's not my account, but it shows me how much they've been typing. Again, their words per minute, all of those things. We actually, our district bought this program called EduTyping, but it costs money and we only had it till the semester. And so my other coworker found this website and it's free and it literally looks the exact same as EduTyping. So we've really enjoyed using this once our license expired on our last one. So again, it's just a great way for students to work on their typing skills. Again, we don't have a computer lab teacher like we did when I was growing up in the building, so it's really important for them still to learn how to type and how to properly do it. And so I wanted to give them this to show. Here I can actually see, I'm kind of playing around with it too with you guys for the first time, but the leaderboard. So, you know, who's typing the most words per minute. So it kind of makes a competition aspect of it to really challenge them to keep working on it. So this website is typing.com. It's a great tool and a great way to track their progress on how their typing is.